Dear student, welcome back to Department of Collegiate Education. So, previous session we can discuss communication, positive, and others, body languages. So many things are studied in the previous session. So, in this session, we are discussed about positive thinking and creative thinking. Introduction. More and more successful people will tell you that they got where they are now because they made a lifestyle around positive thinking. A person that faces life with a positive attitude will always more successful in life, both professional and personally. Yes, professional and also personal. Than a person that cannot take control of his thoughts. It is increasingly common to hear people say, think positive. You can see in your classroom. So many lecturers, so many your friends, so many your neighbors are tell to you thinking positively. Whatever it may be. Just first you're thinking positively. To a person which is sad and worried, unfortunately, many people do not take seriously this urge. How many people do you know who sit and reflect on positive thinking and meaning of it? More people become attracted to this nation. A good evidence is the increasingly courses and books about it. Positive thinking is gaining popularity among us. Meaning of positive thinking. A positive thinking is a mental attitude in which you expect good and favorable results. In other words, positive thinking is the process of creating thoughts that create and transfer energy into reality. A positive mind waits for happiness, health, and happy ending in any situation. More people become attract. I will told you. More people become attracted to this nation because a good evidence is increasingly coarse. Okay, positive positive thinking is a mental and emotional attitude of expecting good and favorable result and not getting discouraged when plan do not processed as expected. It means trying over again and not accepting defeat. It is an attitude of focusing on the good, positive in a situation and not on the negative. With this frame of mind, you do not accept defeat and do not allow anything negative into affect your mood and state of mind. Dear student, so many your friends told you, please learning this subject. They told, today have no mood. No mood. It means out of. So when the negative to affect your mood. So when you can thinking negatively, the mood can be upset. surely upset, it becoming accepted. A positive thinking person focus more on good in the people, not on the bad. Positive thinking means optimism and positive attitude. It means looking forward and envisioning a better and happier life and not being daunted by obstacles. Problems are delay. A person with positive mindset would encourage and motivate people and try to motivate them and make them feel good. What is positive thinking? Dictionary definition. I will give the different definition. It says it is the practice or result of concentrating one's mind affirmatively on the good and constructive aspects of matter so as to eliminate negative or destructive attitude and emotions. It is understand clearly. You can remove your all positive negative and obstacles or hindrance of your career or future. So you think negative. This is definition clearly state that you must be remove obstacle and stop the negative thinking. Thesaurus gives the synopsis: bright outlook, cheerfulness, happyfulness, and optimism. Yes, the person who thinking positively, they became a bright outlook, cheerfulness, hopefulness, and optimism. According to Cambridge University, told that or defined that full of hope and confidence or giving cases for hope and confidence. It means you hope, but too much hope is not good. You can hope some extent to you can hope in the any matter, but too hope cannot be a good. So full of hope and confidence are given causes for hope and confidence. A few more definition of what positive thinking I will tell you. Positive thinking is the attitude of accepting into the mind thoughts, words, images, and feeling that contribute to growth, success, satisfaction outcomes. It is mental attitude that accepts goods and favorable result. Expects can be expect. Next, with his frame of mind, you think good thoughts about yourself and about the people and envision better for future. Positive thinking look for solution, whereas negative thinking dwells on the problem and obstacles. So if you negative think, maybe not successful, not solving any problem. If you think negatively, you can solve any problems. So I think positively. A positive mindset make you believe yourself and in your ability. Surely. If you're thinking positively, you believe yourself and your ability. Otherwise, you not believe yourself and also not show your ability. It means I told you ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಿಂದ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ some the matter subject matter, but you think yourself I am not good there, I am not talk some subject matter, because you're not thinking positively. If you think positively, you go on stage and talk some subject matter about the such functions. It can encourage you to take action. It motivates you to persist and not give up. I will talk positive thinking in business, in sports, in love. Okay. So what is the positive thinking in business? It means an attitude of expecting success, visualizing a success, believing in oneself and in one's abilities, and not considering failure as an opinion. When this attitude is present, you have the courage to dream big. You have greater vision and dare to make a plan and grow your business. This is positive thinking in business. And what is the positive thinking in sports? You will ability to run the 100 meters in fast, or 200 meters, or your ability to long jump, or ability to play the cricket, ability to play the football or volleyball. But you not go to play because cannot thinking positively. So what is positive thinking in sports? It is an attitude of belief in one's ability to win, feeling strong and competent, and possessing the motivation and endurance to win and get good result. With this attitude, you are more willing to train yourself and have more strength and energy. So what is positive thinking, or what do you positive thinking in love? So it mental attitude that make you believe that you will find the most suitable person for you, no matter how many times you have been disappointed. It gives the motivation to take better care of yourself so that you look good. It is also gives you the desire and the push to correct with the people. What is positive thinking in everyday life and why you need it? Why you need it for every day? This is the attitude of being a happy and good natured person who keeps a bright outlook, dispute difficulties and obstacles. A person who possesses this attitude in happy and joys and does not let problem and negative people to affect the mind, emotion and behavior. Success and failure is the result of how we use mind and how we think. If you expected failure and if you see the negative and the difficulties in every situation and keep thinking on them, you will not even try to succeed and will therefore make a failure of a fact. On the other hand, if you expect success, envision progress and do not allow your mind to dwell on negatives, you have much greater chances of meeting success. If you wish To excel in business, sports, political, acting, singing, and entrepreneurship, or in any other area, you need to adopt a positive thinking attitudes. True, you also need the necessary skill and expertise, but they will not get you far without optimize, hopefulness, and expectation of success. Henry Ford said, you heard Henry Ford's name? He was said, if you think you can do a thing or think you cannot do a thing, you are right. I once again repeat it. If you think you can do a thing or think you cannot do a thing, you are right. This definition given by Henry Ford. It is means that all is in the mind and attitudes. It must be emphasized that for this attitude be effective, it should also be backed by positive action and initiative. You need to make plan and use your common sense and not just depend on luck. Luck is secondary. You can told somebody when your friends or your neighbors go to competitive exam and they get the job, and you can say and you can talk with your group, such person is lucky, luck is there, but first you can do hard work. Then left to lucky or luck. Without hard work, the luck cannot come from you, come front of you. First you can do hard work, then the luck is automatically searching for you. Okay. One should take the difficulties and problems into account, not ignore them, but at the same time keep a strong belief in finding a solution to every problem and difficulties. Sentence that describe what positive thinking is. When you can see the person, you can say immediately, this person thinking positive, the person positively right. The expression shows. First, a smile and happy face. The ability or to motivate your and other people to think good and happy thoughts means you can smile and happy face. Always smile and happy. If anybody come to you and talk with some without a smile or a happy face, nobody can come and talk with you or nobody can join you. So always a smile and happy face. Next, being helpful and kind. It is a very, very important. Helpful nature. You can help for your neighbors, for your friends, for beggars in cities or anyone. And kind. Getting up and trying again when falling down and not giving up. Being happy even if we have a little. Some problem is there, but be happy because problem not permanently, it is a short, it can be wash out. So being happy, maintaining a positive attitude and hope despite dispute obstacles and difficulties. These are the major sentence you can accept positive thinking. What are the benefits of positive thinking? So discuss one by one. Reduce the daily stress. Yes, you can thinking positively, it reduce the daily stress on your body, on your mind also. You get a better health. Some people make wealth, not health. Wealth cannot health. So you must maintain or gain health, not wealth, because health is a wealth. So you get better health when you can thinking positively. A strong confidence. Live a longer life. Live a longer life. Live a happier life. You will have more friends. Better management of important decision, and the list goes on. This is the benefit for you when you're thinking positively. How you apply positive thinking? Changing everything you have learned in your life is not easy. Imposing a positive thinking starting today, thinking that this will attract positive thinking in your life, is not that simple. To change these negative patterns, I recommended these exercise and practice. For me, for you, and the people have chosen is my life work. Such as use positive word when talking. You can use positive word talking, not negative word. I will example, your friend ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಸಿಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯೂಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ವೆನ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಲಿ ಸೇ ಐ ಕೆನಾಟ್, you could convey yourself that it's true. Replace negative words with positive one. Tell yourself that you do not everything possible to have happy relationship. Tell yourself that you do everything possible to have a brilliant career. Tell yourself that you do everything possible to keep you in shape. Remove all the feelings that are not positive. Do not let negative thoughts and feeling conquer when you have a bad mood. Even if for a few hours a day, remove negatively and focus on the positive thinking in your life. Next, use the words that evoke strength and success. Fill your thoughts with the words that make you feel strong, happy, have a control over your life. Make an effort to focus on those words rather than the ones that suggest failure or incompetence. Practice positive affirmations. One of the most common exercise for the positive thinking is positive affirmation. What does that mean? Start repeating a positive phrase like I deserve to be happy, or I deserve to be loved. Believing that these statements are true and repeated them always will impose a more positive opinion about your life. Starting thinking you will succeed. Nothing compare with self confidence that creates a successful reality. Put your doubt aside and believe that you will succeed in meeting the objectives. Analyze what went wrong. Positive thinking is not about denying that nothing can go wrong. Instead, take the time to see what went wrong and what led to the current situation in order to avoid future mistake and look forward more positive. Analyze it is. Forgive you. Forgive you. Always argue for things that went wrong will not change anything. Tell yourself you are forgive and allow you to move on. It is common existing in your friend life or college life or your family also. So forgive you, whatever it may be. Forgive and move on. Thinking of failure as an opportunity. Sometimes the most negative thinking in our life gives us opportunities that we may not have seen otherwise. For example, losing your job can be a good opportunity to open your own business or go back to school. Sometimes negative thing also give the good opportunity for you. If you're missing the job, you can start own business or continue your education. Okay, this is the one. Sometime say 1% maybe negative thinking can be give the opportunity for you. Working at your imaginations and visualization. Visualizing what you want to achieve or the person you want to be can be great motivation to take you where and make you think more positively about the distance that you have until the destination. Do not forget this word. What you live today is a result of your yesterday's thoughts. Once again, what you live today is the result of your yesterday thoughts. Clearly understand. And what you live tomorrow is the result of your today thoughts. Okay, clearly understand. What you live today is the result of your yesterday. And what you will live tomorrow is the result of your today thoughts. Do not forget this one. Okay. Positive thinking is the idea that you can change your life by thinking positively about things. This idea can be sound a bit soft and fulfilling, which is something of problem for many people who recognize that just thinking good thoughts would not change the world and therefore discard the whole idea. However, research shows that positive thinking really does have a scientific basis. You cannot change the world, but you can change how you perceive it and how you react to it. And that can change the way that you feel about yourself and others, which can in turn have a huge effect on yourself being. Effect of negative thinking. Okay, I will say one example or also talk with negative thinking. What are the effects of negative thinking? To understand the effective of positive thinking, it's helpful to think about negative thinking first. If do any work, first you can thinking negative. What are the negative? What are the problem occurs in this work? Must be thinking. Okay. Most negative emotions such as a fear or anger are designed to help with survival. They cause us to take swift and effective action to save ourselves from whatever is threatening us. This means that they also prevent us from being distracted by other things around us. So far, so good in survival terms. If there is a fear standing in front of you, you do not want to stop to pick flowers. But negative thinking is not yet so great in more modern setting. If you have not yet got a lot to do and you are worried that you would not get it all done, the last thinking you need is for your brain to shut down and focus on only how long your to do list has got. Negative thinking is a habit, something you can try your brain to avoid. Constant negative thinking can make you much more likely to be stressed and can lead to more serious problem like depression. You negative can go to depression. The power of positive thinking. Barbara Fredrickson, Barbara Fredrickson, a researcher at the University of North California, carried out a classic experiment with a 5 group of people where she showed each group image design provoke a different emotional response. The power positive thinking. Group 1. Group 1 saw image designed to trigger feeling of joy. Group 2's image were selected to make them feel contented. Group 3 image were neutral. Group 4 saw image to make them afraid. Group 5th saw a series of image designed to make them anger. Each group was asked to write down what action they would take in situation that created similar feelings. Group 4 and 5 wrote down significantly fewer action than the other group. Group 1 and 2 wrote down the most action. In other words, feeling positive emotion help you to identify more possibilities and options in your life. But what is perhaps even more interesting is that those extra possibilities and opinions seem to translate into action. People who think more positively, more like to do to deliver on those options. They built new skill and develop existing one so that they geniusly have more opinion in life. Positive thinking in practice. The placebo effect. High quality trials for a few medicines and therapies. Compare a treatment group which receive the new treatment with a control group that does not. But generally rule, these control groups do not just have no treatment. Instead, they receive a placebo, that is treatment substitute, which look like the real thing but have no physical effect. Example of fabulous in including sugar pills or flavored water instead of genuine tablets or medicine. Why do receive? Why do they receive placebo? Because of power of positive thinking. The placebo effect is well documented phenomena in medicine in which